Many women today are struggling with their health, with their bodies and how they feel within themselves. And it has to do with dealing with PMS, dealing with bloating, acne, migraines, low energy, and we're led to believe that we have to live with these things, and we really don't. So I definitely fell into that category where I thought I had to live with these symptoms, and it was an extremely frustrating and overwhelming time because I was trying to eat well, I was trying to exercise and take care of myself, but things were not connecting in my body the way I felt like they should. And just going in and out of the doctors, I left numerous doctors' offices in tears because I wasn't able to get the answers that I was looking for. And that's extremely stressful to have to deal with. And it wasn't until I made the Hormone Connection that things really changed for me. Here at Balanced Bombshells, we've spent years researching and studying how to use food and exercise and daily habits to balance hormones. This is actually something called cycle syncing, where a woman partners what she's eating during the day, what her exercise is like, and the habits that she contributes throughout the day based on where she's at in her monthly cycle. We're here to help you. We've created the Balanced Bombshells Lifestyle Plan, which is an 8-week online course where you'll get to learn the 4 phases of your monthly cycle, how your brain and body shift into each of them, and just how to use your food, your exercise, and your daily habits to cycle sync your life and balance your hormones. What you can expect with cycle syncing is feeling way more confident about yourself, feeling happier, healthier, and less stressed out. You can also experience less bloating, clearer skin, higher energy, and a calmer and happy period. When I was going through this process, I felt really alone, and here at Balanced Bombshells, you will never feel alone. To get started feeling amazing during your entire cycle, you can check out the program details for the Balanced Bombshells Lifestyle Plan on our website, and I can't wait to see you there.